AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. All of that is free. Subscribe, like and share, and below the video you will find a link which says swing like a pro. So click on this swing like a pro link, then come to this page right here where you can see the recent trades or the setups which we have taken, and then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And then we have this consultation. So if you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation right here, and you can always join free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart here, and let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMA. So as you can see, EMA is sloping upwards, not going down. So this was your weekly double bottom. Okay, so price touched this lower, this wick touched this price, but did not break it. So we're gonna go up. So weekly is uptrend, daily is again above the EMA, and 4-hour is also above the EMA. So look for longs only. Okay, price in all time frames, 4-hour, daily, and weekly, everywhere price is above the EMA. So only look for longs. That's what is in AUDUSD. If you want to exactly enter and exit with me, then go and join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.